All right, finally got some cooperative weather around here. Time to show off what most people have probably never seen. This is not a wrap. This has not been repainted. This is a factory $20,000 AMG design studio option, crazy colors, alien green G63 AMG G-Wagen, and it is in absolutely incredible condition, especially given the few years old that it is and the few miles that it has on it. Obviously, when it comes to these G-Wagons, you can't really tell a 2002 from a 2022 to the average person, but this one is a 2015. I'm not sure exactly what all years that these colors like this were available. I know they do have some crazy color options and some, very bespoke, interesting options that they do. This was a $20,000 AMG Studio design package. This is a gloss color. The paint on it is in absolutely spectacular condition. I mean, there's a couple little, we're going to order some touch up here, touch up these couple little chips on the front here that you would expect, but aside from that, there really isn't a scratch on it. No rust issues. It does have the contrasting black trim, which was part of that package. So we got the black bumpers, got the black brush bar, black fenders, black mirrors, black roof, black rear bumper, and then the spare tire is black and the alien green. It does have some nice upgraded LED tail lights there, smoke tail lights, and then it does have these dark finished the turn signal repeaters and the side markers here, which look really sharp. It does have a Brabus front splitter there. As you can see, it's got the Brabus emblem there in place of the Mercedes star. Of course, you got the star here, but the Brabus there. It does have real, as you can see, Brabus logo 22-inch wheels with some Toyo tires. As you can see, it says Brabus there in the wheels. They are real Brabus wheels, not aftermarket knockoffs. And it does have some window tint film and also these WeatherTech floor liners. Otherwise, this truck is all original, no modifications, original AMG exhaust, intakes, everything. Nothing's been modified or messed with or any of that kind of stuff. Part of this AMG Design Studio Alien Green package, you do get this green stitching, so it's got the full leather upgraded interior. So we got the leather dash, and as you can see, this leather dash is in amazing condition. There's no wrinkling or warping or shrinking or anything of any of the leather, which is something you got to be careful on these leather dashes. We do have the green stitching here, and then of course we got the quilt, the diamond stitch seats. You got the green stitching here on the back seats as well. Green stitching on the door panels. Again on the dash there, on the grab handle for the parking brake, on the center console here. So really cool little touch there with the green stitching and then the diamond stitch. And then we have all the carbon fiber trim throughout. So we've got carbon fiber here on the upper lower dash. It's all in great shape, no cracks or anything. We got the carbon fiber trim there on the door panels. Harman Kardon sound. Illuminated door entry guards. We got the metal and rubber studded pedals. Got their shift paddles here as well. Let's start this thing up. Got 84,204 miles as I take this video. Of course, we got navigation system. Does have Bluetooth. Does have all the multi-contour seats and all this stuff. All these functions all work properly. It's one thing you got to kind of watch out for on these. Sometimes these bladder things don't work properly. They've got leaks. This one works great. Got our all of our navigation there. Radio controls. We got heated and air conditioned seats here. Both dual zone course climate control. Got our newer style shifter with the sport and manual modes there as well. The steering column is power tilt and telescopic. Now this one does have the Distronic cruise control, so you can set the Distronic the distance from the car in front of you, how close you want to follow, and then it will follow that car ahead of you. Let's take a look here on the outside. Pop the hood. As you can see, obviously everything is again all factory painted, so all the inside here is all matching. It's all super clean, no rust or anything like that. You can see everything's all perfect condition here, super clean throughout. Underneath, super clean as well. We got our factory AMG exhaust. Everything looks beautiful underneath there. We did just completely service this car for about $4,000. We put a new factory Mercedes-Benz radiator in it. We replaced the power steering reservoir. We had a little leak in the cap. Replaced a bunch of cooling hoses. Did a full cooling system service. Did an oil service. There was a slight oil seepage at the oil filter housing, which is a common thing. So we just replaced that as well. As you can see, super clean under here. Engine's nice and quiet, no weird noises or anything like that. Look around, give it a few revs for you here. It does also have these side markers have been smoked as well. Super clean back here. Sorry, you got that. They got a 110 volt outlet here in the back and a 12 volt outlet as well. Got a nice WeatherTech floor liner. All the carpets and everything are super clean underneath. Of course, these seats fold if you need additional storage. It does have Alcantara headliner, which is in great shape. Super cool. This is for your third seat belt there. Everything's super clean back here. You even got the quilted leather stitching on the tailgate inside trim there. Pretty cool. Nice touch. Of course, there's nothing that sounds like when you close the doors on a G-Wagen. It's one of the most satisfying sounds in all of the automotive world. We got our WeatherTech floor liners back here. We got air conditioning vents back here, cup holders, 12 volt outlet. Got our storage back here. All those are nice and tight. They're not falling down. All this stuff looks great. Rear seats in excellent condition. We got the diamond stitched leather with the green alien green matching stitching, and on the headrests there we got our third seat belt here. Comes out of the ceiling there. Even got we've got heated seats in the back here. We got our cup holders for our rear passengers. Speakers back here. They're not cup holders, those are our ashtrays for if your kids want to get an early start on smoking. Give a few quick revs here. This is one of the final years of what I think is the better of the engines. This is the 5.5 liter supercharged V8 instead of the 4.0 liter they came out with later. Doesn't have some of the problems the 4 liter has, like the oil pump wiring that goes bad and you have to pull the engine out to fix it. Some of those things. Just a great engine, great drivetrain, transmission. Really a solid, proven system set up here. We got our power sunroof, so everything works like it's supposed to. It's all one touch to open. I don't know about closing, but again, all Alcantara here. Headliner, really nice. Auto dimming mirror. It does also have the blind spot monitor system. You got auto dimming mirrors on the, at least on the driver's side there. Got power folding mirrors. All that stuff all works like it's supposed to. No warning lights on. Again, just serviced. Oil has just been changed. Cooling system, everything just completely gone through. Needs nothing but a new home. Check it out on our website, autolivery.com, for current pricing and availability. And be sure to give my video a like if you like what you see, and feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel for other interesting inventory as it comes in here at the Auto Livery. Thanks.